Why do you go to IKEA? You spend half a day there. You assemble the furniture yourself when you could just order it online and have it delivered. And here's the strange thing. After all of that, you feel good. Well, maybe that's not about furniture. Cheap, fast, convenient, that's how we usually choose. But that doesn't explain why you go to IKEA. The truth is that we do not choose products the way we think we do. We don't just compare options and pick what's cheaper and faster. Instead, we hire products to do a specific job in our lives. This is an approach which is called jobs to be done. So, what is it all about? As said, it's not really about price or speed or even the furniture itself. What people are really after is the result. The feeling of turning an empty space into a home. At first, it may look like, yeah, I need a furniture, but what I really need, what I really want, is that this place start feeling like home for me. And I want to feel that I did it myself. This is a real job people are hiring IKEA to do. Furniture is just the tip of the iceberg. Every purchase has a deeper meaning, and if we do not see it, we will never understand why people choose one product over another. The top level is what the product does. With IKEA, it's simple. The furniture should be affordable. It should fit into a small apartment and be easy to transport. But there is a second level, which is emotions. You assemble it, you make your space feel personal, you feel accomplished. And even deeper, in the social level, it's a sign to others. I have a home, I'm adult, I have got things under control. So, if the real job is making space feel like mine, then IKEA isn't just competing with other furniture stores. It competes with anything that helps someone make progress in their space. Sometimes you don't need the whole wardrobe for that. Sometimes just a single plant is enough. Or a well-chosen decoration, or even just painting a wall yourself. Anything, literally anything that helps you take ownership of your space. All of these are different ways to get from an empty room to a home that feels like yours. And I'm not an IKEA employee, but IKEA is a great example because they understand this very well. And therefore, they don't just sell furniture. They show you entire rooms. They sell plants. They sell paintings. They even have a restaurant and kids' play area. All of this. They help you to complete the whole job instead of just a part of it. So that's it. This is the logic behind jobs to be done. Next time, when you buy something, ask yourself, what am I really trying to change in my life? What job is this purchase actually doing for me? And remember what Master Yoda says. Try not. Do or do not. There is no try. And if you want to go deeper, I highly recommend Competing Against Luck by Clayton Christensen. Enjoy!